Stores for consumption by passengers imported as provisions on international express vessels, aircrafts are exempted from duties and taxes, provided the following conditions are met, except A. Duties and taxes in the country where goods were purchased are paid. B. Such stores were duly declared, which declaration shall be approved by the Commissioner. Such goods are purchased only in countries crossed by international vessel, aircraft concerned. D. None of the above. Number 2. The BOC shall allow issue of stores for use on board during the stay of a vessel in the customs territory in such quantities as the authority deems reasonable. What factors is are not considered in determining whether the quantity in question is reasonable? A. Length of stay of the vessel in the customs territory. B. Number of vessels and crew on board the vessel. C. Country of registration of the vessel. D. None of the above. Number 3. BOC allows issue of stores for use on board by crew while vessel is undergoing repairs in a dock or shipyard provided that duration of stay is reasonable. When aircraft is to land at one or more airports in the customs territory, the BOC should allow issuance of stores for consumption on board both during the stay of aircraft at such intermediate airports and during its flight between such airports. A. Both statements are true. B. Both statements are false. C. Only the first statement is true. D. Only the second statement is true. 4. Which among the following statements is are true? A. Replenishment of stores exempted from duties is allowed for vessels in customs territory which need to replenish stores for journey to final destination in the customs territory. B. BOC may, when necessary, require remove of stores from the vessel aircraft for storage elsewhere during its stay in the customs territory. C. Carriers are required to take measures to prevent unauthorized use of stores. D. All of the above. 5. Vessels departing for ultimate foreign destination is entitled to take on board, excepted from duties and taxes, stores in reasonable quantities, considering the following factors except A. Length of stay of the vessel in the customs territory. B. Number of passengers and crew on board the vessel. C. Country of registration of the vessel. D. Quantity of stores already on board.